This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing. As you all know, in our business, there is no cheating or cheating. There is only earning. So you are able to see that there is a website open in which the amount is increasing. So today we will talk about Pepe Coin and discuss about this website and how you can get the profit from it. For now, I am not going to use any words because many of my videos have been deleted. One of my channels has also been deleted. So I am not going to use any words. I am going to use it in simple Hindi language by modifying it a little. So for now, we will analyze the website a little. As you can see, the website has an amazing look in which we are told that we can get up to 300% monthly returns. We will earn 10% daily of life. I don't know whether it will be 10% or not. But we will earn something or the other. We will take something from the website. So for now, we have got the options of Pepe Coin, and if we go down, we will get users, which is not much. As you can see, the website is so you have the opportunity to earn. So take as much as you want from here. Otherwise, you will get a lot of users. For now, we have got 500 and the total deposit amount has increased, but you can do it if you want. But if you want, you can also not do it. For now, I am saying a lot of things, but please forgive me. So for now, if you see here, some amount has been transferred in the mail, which is not much. For now, there are some bonuses here. If you want, you can try. And along with that, you can get the last transaction. You can check out here. All the transactions are here. So a transaction has come 33 minutes ago, which is not a valid user. And all these users are a little valid. And they came 1 to 2 hours, 7 hours, and 9, and the last transaction has happened in the main world, which you can see, all are valid and in a very small amount, you can transfer your amount to your main world. These are the basic things. So first of all, we will create an account on the first site. If you don't have an account on the first site, then you can't do it. If you want, you can't do anything. So for now, create an account on the first site. It is a very simple option. You will get the link in the description. Click on the link and you will get the page of to sign up, you will get the sign up button. Just click on your email address, password, and you can sign up. You guys are so smart that you can sign up by yourself. So I won't be able to tell you all these small details. So for now, I will go here and we will start our journey here. So click on the start button. You have to enter your email address which is my email address on the first site. So I will click, then here you get the start mining option. Just click and your start mining will start. Means you have started mining from here. And it is free of cost. You don't have to do any investment. You don't have to give, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do it. It is absolutely free of cost. What can I tell you? Whatever it is, think for yourself. And here I simply verify. And if you get a little trouble, you can easily complete it. So for now, my verification, now my loading has been completed. You can see that I have registered in front of you. And my earnings have started. Means I am earning coins here. Right now. In front of you. You can see here that you can transfer 50 coins from here to your main road. Absolutely free. You can see here that it is 10 giga. Its power is in which whatever is being earned here, whatever you are earned, you can transfer it to your main road instantly. So for now, if you have a lot of users who want to increase their earnings by putting a little bit of balance here, for that I will tell you. First of all, I am not a finance, and whatever investment you will do, you have to do it on. So if you want to do it, you can do it. Otherwise, I will not give any recommend that you should invest on such a website or do anything. So all these things or all these responsibilities are on you. I will tell you. I will tell you for sure. For now, here you get the option of, here you can calculate how much mining power you can generate with your balance. Here you get the price of 1000 giga power. And per day. 5000 giga is earned in a day, and in total. Forget about the total. You have to check it for 10 days. You have to calculate it according to your, by going to the and here you get the price of 3 days. Don't look at the total. I have told you again. Don't look at the total. So what we will do to increase it, here you get the option of deposit. We will click on it. We will keep it at 1,000. So in 1,000 you get the price. We will click on it, and as we click, it will be redirected to a new page, and as it redirects, here you get the options of some stack. So you have to keep it carefully. It will be redirected to your first account, if you have the balance. Then you can easily buy from here. Now I have the balance in TRX, you will see. So I have 20, which becomes around $7 to $8. So with this you can buy here. You can buy in any currency. If you don't have the balance, then you can buy in any currency. Just click on it, and again click on, and your successful payment will be successful. So now I am showing you how we can do it. So here I will refresh the page, and we will see how we can transfer it in our manual, or how we can take control of it. Basically we will click here, and here the minimum amount is very less. Very less means very less. So we will just click on it. Maximum amount, and then click on confirm request. As we click, instantly your payment will be successful. You won't see any pending. Along with that, Phoenix and ID, you can check out from here. So the website is very amazing. It is new. If you want, you can easily and you can increase your earning. Now let's talk. Whatever payment we will check it. So I will go to the dashboard section, and here I have already logged in. And here you will see, today's date is August 4th. You will be able to see here in the side, August 4th, and here you can see, the payment has been instantly received. Whatever I have just, same amount. So if you are getting it for free, then don't leave it. Whatever you are take it.